be sad. Then you left, no one so alone, saying I should have known you were good for me. There's no reason why I should cry. No, baby, I'm survived. I don't care, I don't care. No one will ever hold it tight. No one will ever love you like you just know. Now you do. There is no one, no one. No one will ever treat you right. You don't want us never satisfied. There is no one like I can feel what you're looking for. I'm not that girl no more. I'm not made of stone. I'm gonna stand on my own. You're gonna break me down, no more stepping out. No, 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 no. 'Cause life is kind without you, and I know I can make it through without you, without you. Round and round, I feel love so spinning all around. Now you want me, don't you? No one will ever hold you tight. No one will ever love you like you're back. I can feel your love, oh yeah. I'm never gonna let you. No one will ever treat you right. You don't want us never satisfied. After all, you can't fall. There is no one you can reach to. No one will ever love you. No one will ever touch you. No one will ever hold you. Turn around now, just turn around now. You can love me, yeah, yeah. No one like me. No one Благодаря.
Искрено се радвам, че връчвам тази награда, макар и шеста, защото наистина конкуренцията беше убийствена. От 21 прекрасни изпълнения трябваше да изберем само 3. И е жалко да ощетим другите. Затова мисля, че Адриана, аз наистина трябва да оцениш, че това е било жестока битка и да се усмихнеш и да се зарадваш. Пожелавам ти по-големи успехи. Господ е надарил с прекрасни качества. Аплодисменти за Адриана.